Howdy how, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It is the one and only crypto enthusiast Light Liger here once again, and today I'm going to be showing you another method how to make some easy crypto into interwebs. And the service we're going to be talking about here today is called PreSearch. It is having its own ERC20 token, which is called Pre. There's a 1 billion supply of these Pre tokens, and you will be getting 0.25 Pre tokens every time you search with this engine. And basically, it is like a user interface which allows you to install different types of search engines. So you have Google, Etherscan, DuckDuckGo, which I recommend using over Google, or Quant. They care about your privacy. Google are the bad guys. And then you have Facebook, Twitter, CoinMarketCap, Netflix, and PreSearch's own layout. And you can even customize this system, basically. You can add your own providers or custom providers here. And this is actually a very, very cool feature to be added on altogether. And it works out the same way, like we can search, PreSearch here. And you will be seeing, there's a coin flip there that we just got a bit of money. And it just shows us like a basic Google type of a layout here. And overall, I like this service because it literally requires, you don't need to even install the extension if you don't want to. The extension is now available on Chrome and Firefox. I'm not really sure, are they working on one on Opera? Because I think the Opera extensions and things like that, literally. And basically, something that I talk about also very much is the use case. You can distribute coins by people just typing or posting pictures, but that will devalue the coin if there's no place to use it. So PreSearch is having their own type of advertising platform, basically. And where do I have it? So basically, here it is. And people are able to buy with these Pre tokens, so that's where the actual incentive for the advertisers to buy like the tokens from the market, from the users, and basically some ads will show up. I'm not sure how the ads will show up. Will they show on the main screen, or where the advertisements happen? Is it on the mobile side? But far as I know, there is an actual use case here where you need Pre tokens to actually advertise. And there will be a market of people, especially crypto-based, because they are banned from Google. I think they're banned also on Facebook. So there's a lot of restricted market and advertising inside on a lot of these existing big platforms. And it seems that the advertising system is still in early access. So it's kind of like BAT token in a way. I don't think it's going to be as big as the basic attention token, but I think that the price will go up once this whole advertising platform will go live. Because right now, a lot of the crypto advertising platforms are not very good. I've been actually searching for one on my website for a very long time as a publisher. And basically, there's a lot of the distribution of the coins, and there's like an actual team here. So it's not like a total shit coin. And I'm very critical about the ERC20 tokens. And there's also a referral program. You can sign up through my link, and basically every time that somebody does 100 searches, you will get 25 token bonus, which is very nice. Obviously, it's really easy to spam it and get these Pre tokens. So that's why you need 1,000 tokens before you can actually withdraw. However, you can put the money into a savings account. I think the portal account might be for the advertisements. So basically, if you don't want to withdraw, you can still use it to advertise with them. Whatever you want to your own crypto blog, YouTube channel, or service. So basically, it is just free money to get, basically, just by searching stuff. You don't have to change drastically your user behavior. You just kind of change PreSearch to your main search engine, or you get the extension, and then just search as you would normally. And maybe there will be a 1 second more, a delay in speed in terms of using Google normally through the search bar. And as for the coin's price right now, it's actually a pretty highly valued coin. So it's 6 cents. And when we go into the calculator, as I said, we may have that 1,000, which was the minimum. We copy that with 6. So basically, That is 60 bucks. 60 bucks basically. Well, can it be that much? Isn't it? No, let's count that again. 1.06. Yeah, 60 bucks basically by having those 1,000 met up. I don't know how long that's gonna take. If you have some referrals, might be not as long. And if you're interested in buying the tokens, I'm gonna leave my link for the coin exchange. HitBTC, by the way, is a big scam. So is a Yobit. So don't use these fucking two exchanges in general. Coin exchange is good. And like I'm saying that in the last month it actually has gone in the price. Well, it's like 3 months. So it had a high price during that Bitcoin boom, and now it's been kind of slowly going up because people are understanding that there's a concept here, and the advertisers actually need the PreSearch token. So right, starting to grind now, and then getting to the 1K. I think the price might even go to 10 cents. So BAT, for example, has gone quite a lot of up. Advertisers are willing to pay quite a lot to advertise on specific platforms that are gonna be giving you a higher like interaction rate than on Google or whatever else. So basically, it's free money, guys, free crypto. Even if it's not going to be successful, you will be getting some money at least once you hit that 1,000 PreSearch tokens and when you withdraw from the platform, or you just use it to advertise yourself. But thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time on the next video. And please sign up through my link to the PreSearch, obviously, and Coin Exchange in case you want to buy it too. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time, and I'll see you later.